Hello guys, welcome back to Paramedical Career Academy. Today we are going to discuss sanitary inspector question paper. In this question paper, first question is for hand hygiene. The hand wash should be washed before. Answer is third, meeting a person who is vulnerable to illness. Second question, the Global Hand Washing Day is observed on. Answer is 15 October. Third question, scalds produce the same type of injury as burn and are caused by. Answer is wet heat. Fourth question, practical application of the principles of nutrients is called. Answer is dietetic. Fifth question, the animal source of protein is. Answer is cheese. Sixth question, the proportion of clinical cases resulting in severe clinical manifestation is called as. Answer is virulence. Seventh question, the biology situation that can be defined as the risk group is. Answer is family history of genetic disorders. Eighth question, the disease that has been eradicated from India is. Answer is smallpox. Ninth question, to prevent the transmission of infection by feces, the segregation of feces can be done by the barrier which is provided by. Answer is sanitary latrine. Tenth question, from source of water supply, the latrines should not be located within. Answer is 15 meter. 11th question, the trap in the latrine provides the necessary. Answer is water seal. 12th question, chlorine acts best as a disinfectant when the pH of water is around 7 to 7.5. 13th question, to determine the free and combined chlorine in the water, the test done is. Answer is orthotolidine test. 14th question, the cultural barrier of communication is. Answer is customs beliefs. 15th question, the gossip is the type of communication. Answer is informal. 16th question, the regulatory approach of health education is defined as the intervention done by. Answer is government. 17th question, the modifiable risk factor of coronary heart disease is. Answer is obesity. 18th question, when the cause of hypotension is unknown, it is called as. Answer is primary hypertension. 19th question, the carrier arising from the cells of bone marrow and immune system are called as. Answer is lymphomas. 20th question, the school teacher should see the following signs in daily inspection of a child for any abnormality except. Answer is pink tongue. 21st question, the one of the side effects of the intrauterine devices is. Answer is ectopic pregnancy. 22nd question, the oral contraceptive pills is given for conception days of. Answer is 21st. 23rd question, the humanitarian condition under which a pregnancy can be terminated under the MTP Act is answer is rape. 24th question, the minimum interval between two doses of tetanus injection is alternate mother is answer is 1 month. 25th question, the one of the following disease is transmissible from mother to fetus, answer is syphilis. 26th question, infection of genetically tract within 3 weeks after delivery is called as answer is puerperal sepsis. 27th question, ASHA stand for answer is accredited social health activities activist. 28th question, for integrated disease surveillance projects, the subcenters should do the reporting of syndromic surveillance at every answer is week. 29 question, to prevent the infection in vagina in female, the anus should be cleaned after bowel movement in the direction of answer is front to back. 30th question, the carbolic acid is the member of answer is phenol group. 31st question, a mixture of phenol and cresol is known as answer is crude phenol. 32nd question, the following clinical symptoms will be under surveillance in IDSP except answer is running nose. 33rd question, being soft water, the rain water has a corrosive action on answer is lead pipes. 34th question, the area draining into the water reservoir is called answer is catchment area. 35th question, the sense of taste triggers the action of answer is salivation and secretion of gastric juice. 36th question, the hormone that stimulates growth and division of most body cells in is answer is growth hormone. 37th question, provision of integrate preventive, curative and promotional health services from womb to womb can called as answer is comprehensive health care. 38th question, the first key principle is primary health care is answer is equitable distribution of health care. 39th question, a technical worker is certain field with less than full professional training is called answer is auxiliary. 14th question, the reservoir of infection of poliovirus is answer is human being. 41st question, the oral polio vaccine contains answer is live attenuated virus. 42nd question, the causative organism for the hepatitis A is answer is enterovirus. 43rd question, the definitive host in malaria is answer is mosquito. 44th question, lodgement, development and reproduction of arthropods on the surface of the body or in the clothing is called as infestation. 45th question, the disease that is transmitted by the housefly is, answer is typhoid. 46th question, according to the Factories Act, the child should not be employed in the factory whose age is below, answer is 14 years. 47th question, the employees state insurance scheme provides the benefit of, answer is medical and cash benefits in sickness. 48th question, under the Swajaldhara program, the Swajaldhara second component is for, the answer is district level. 49th question, the B cells of the pancreatic islet cell secrete, answer is insulin. 50th question, the process of inspiration is active as it requires the expenditure of, answer is energy. Thank you.